The European Union is a unique economic and political partnership between 28 European countries. It acts as a union in economic, social, regulatory, and financial policy areas, funded by their annual budget of 120 billion euros. The EU uses a single currency, which is the euro, and they operate under a single market economy. Single market means the free flow of goods, services, capital, and people over national borders of member states. One contemporary issue involving the EU is the tension between a national identity and culture and European values provided by the EU. One specific example is the UK. Currently, Great Britain does not use the euro as their currency, but rather the pound. This shows a clash between their national identity and the values of Europe as a whole. As of right now, the Eurozone is weakening. The inflation rate of the euro is dropping, the unemployment rate is at a standstill, and there's little capacity to absorb economic shock, meaning there's less trade going on, less fiscal transfers, and less economic growth. These have caused Great Britain to want to hold a referendum by the end of 2017, meaning they're going to vote if they should stay or leave the European Union. The people that want the UK to leave the EU believe that Britain is being held back by it, which they say imposes way too many rules on businesses and charges billions of pounds a year in membership fees for little in return. They also think that Britain should take back full control of its borders and reduce the number of people coming over to work. One of the main principles of EU membership is free movement, which means you don't need to get a visa to go and live in another EU country. They also object to the idea of ever closer union and the belief that the ultimate goal is to create a United States of Europe. The reasons that the UK should stay in the EU are around 3.5 million British jobs are directly linked to their membership in the EU single market. Another reason is that the EU buys over 50% of UK exports. Over 300,000 British companies and 74% of British exports operate in other EU markets. Another reason the UK should stay in the EU is the freedom to work and study abroad and for easy travel. 1.4 million British people live abroad in the Eurozone. More than 14,500 UK students took part in the EU's Erasmus student exchange scheme in the years 2012 to 2013.